Hey guys, go to my other channel. I'm gonna post this on here on Be Delicious Soaps and Gifts, but my other channel too, of Hope Speaks from the Heart. And yeah, because that's where that other video, this video should be, on Hope Speaks from the Heart. Good morning, you guys. This is Hope, Be Delicious Soaps and Gifts, and Hope Speaks from the Heart. So, heart's over. Where's my heart? My heart's weird. So anyway, look. I had to get out in some fresh air. You guys know that I work from home. And a lot of times I just don't leave the house because it's more convenient to not leave the house. But I realized that I gotta leave the house. I've not been on any walking videos. And that's not good. That's not good. I missed my walking video, so today I'm gonna just walk around one time because I'll just walk around one time. Oh, because I don't have the right shoes. I didn't realize I was gonna go walking until I started driving. So, yeah, and I don't want to get blisters from wearing these sandals. Oh, you can't see. See my feet? Anyway. So I'm not matching. So I had no intentions of getting out the car. I'm wearing this shirt, then you already saw my pants. That's what happens when you don't dress properly and leave the house. Yeah, I'm covered, so I'm good. Anyway, it's beautiful out here. It's so pretty. And it's not humid. It's really nice. It's really nice. I love it. It's a little warm. It is October 26th and 7th. It's like 76 degrees already. Yeah, it's gonna be warm. I think it's gonna have some showers today. I think my daughter's here said. So yeah. Oh, before I forget, well, hold on a second. Hold on one moment. All right, there's a lot, since I've been here, these bushes, everything have grown tremendously. Make me a little bit nervous. I don't know I was gonna bounce out of here. But I love all the greenery, and look, oh, the leaves are changing. So one of the things that I liked, and I used to live in Arkansas, is that the changing, when fall was coming, the leaves would change colors. And there was one road that I would have to drive. Oh, that's a perfect view. Let me take a picture of that. Oh, wow. I love that background. Can you see that tree? There's a tree right there. You see it right there? It's turning colors. The leaves are turning colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Just like you. Yeah, but there was this one road that the leaves, so many different types of trees, and the leaves would turn colors. I don't know the stages, like no, there's green, I don't think there's red, yellow. So maybe green, yellow, and then red. Is that how it works? I don't know. It's like bell peppers, they start one color and then they turn a different color to make a different color of bell peppers. But yeah, and so then I'm not gonna go too far because I don't know who's back there. But you can tell that there's this, let me turn around. So, this tree right here, right there, that's turning as well. This turned out to be a nature hike. A nature hike. And then this one is turning yellow. Shoe came off. It's not a nail stuck in it. And then, let's see. So this one right here, you can tell it's turning yellow in front of the red. Oh, this way. You can't see what I'm doing. That one right there. We had a lot of these trees right here growing up in California. And they smell, I like how they smell. I'm not gonna touch it. But, yeah. tell you what I do like. Oh, they're blossoming. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. I don't know what those are. Little blooms, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty. I really, really like this. So anyone who's watching this, if you know what the names of these plants are, let me know. Put it in the comment section. I like these a lot. I like the colors. And I don't know, oh, this one has more. It's opening up a lot more. I don't know if you can tell compared to the other. And then these little things right here. Good morning. So many different types of foliage, so many different types of plants. I love this right here. That is so pretty. It almost looks like baby's breath. My little nature hike for today. So what I was saying earlier about getting out, it's good to get out to breathe the fresh air, and realize that's not what I was doing. I wasn't breathing any fresh air because the fresh air is on the outside. And I always felt better too when I walked. I felt better. And I was doing some research about how to boost up your immune system. One of the things was go outside. So if you're not going outside, for whatever reason, at least get out and walk around your block, walk down the street. Go somewhere where you don't have to wear a mask. Go to the park, whether it's early in the evening. You know, be safe. Be safe. And just get out. Get some fresh air. It will do you a world of good. It will help you a great deal. So that's my nature walk. That's my little thing for today. And I hope you be well. Be well, be well, be well. Remember that you are worth it all. All right, talk to you guys later. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Comment on on something, you know, regarding the plants, just whatever, just say hi, just say hello. All right, talk to you guys later.